Hi, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Rivas, the CEO and founder of Royale Classy Creations, where we create customized classy designs for home, office, and events. Thank you so much for joining me. Today, we are going to be talking about Barbie. Oh my gosh. Barbie has been trending so much lately that we have had a lot of requests for Barbie themed baby showers. Baby showers more so than anything else. We just completed a Barbie themed baby shower and we're going to be sharing that with you. Let me tell you, this event was absolutely amazing. The clients were just a dream to work with. Um, the mom to be was dealing with a lot of medical issues during this pregnancy, and they wanted to have something that would cheer her up and make her feel a lot better about everything that was going on. So we were so happy to oblige with everything that she asked for, and we gave her a little bit more because we just thought she needed that during this time. So I'm going to get out of the way so you guys can go ahead and look at everything that we created for this event and see how everything came together. Another thing I wanted to mention was we recently, during the spring season, started a and opened an intimate event venue. So yes, it seats up to 100 guests, and this event was actually at our venue. Our venue's name is RCC Studio. So you're going to be seeing a lot of events coming from that place as well. And I just wanted to let you guys know that we have some amazing packages put together for our CC Studio that includes all of our decor and all of that razzle dazzle that you're always looking for in these events. And we give you everything that you're looking for that you don't have to go out and look anywhere else, like a small cake, a photographer, and so much more. So, yes, guys, if you have not joined me over at RCC Studio LLC on Facebook, go ahead and do that so that you can see all of that information as well. But again, I'm going to get out of your way so you can go ahead and look at this amazing event that we put together for a well deserving mom to be.